The Department of Forestry has issued an emergency alert. A new invasive species of dangerous vine is rapidly spreading throughout the nation. This vine, known as Radix tenebris or more commonly Darkroot, is extremely dangerous to humans. Its appearance is that of angry black vines that tend to surface even other vegetation. Darkroot spreads at a rate of approximately 3 feet per day, though some have been observed spreading up to 1 foot per hour in certain conditions. The government has declared the appearance of Darkroot a national emergency. All citizens within the areas designated at the end of this broadcast must evacuate as soon as possible. Do not try to remove or dispose of Darkroot without the aid of qualified professionals, as doing so significantly increases the risk of